Hello, it's Jason here at Ultimate Sports Cards in North Bay, Ontario. I'm here with Rob. Today, Upper Deck Canada Juniors and the Canada Women Upper Deck product has come out. 18 cards per box, 6 cards per pack. We have already opened one box, and we actually got a massive hit. It's a Connor McDavid Max Domi dual autograph, numbered 5 out of 10. There you go. We should have opened that box and videoed it because we just were losing our minds here, right? There's the back of the card. So Connor McDavid, Max Domi, probably the two guys you're always going to want. And in the same box, we also got Connor McDavid, Max Domi dual jersey card. So we're very happy. Very nice product. We got two patch autos, Mitchell Stevens and Braden Point. Braden Point's nice looking patch there, and that's Mitchell Stevens. It's a lot like last year with you get the patch auto in every box. You get 3 or 4 other hits. There's gold parallels. We had a Connor McDavid gold. We had 2 Connor McDavid base cards in the same pack, so that was exciting. For the local guys, Nick Paul is in this product. He member of North Bay Battalion, so you can get Nick Paul jersey and autograph cards. So we did not hit a Nick Paul, not even a base card. We have right away Max Domi jumbo jersey numbered out of 199. Max Domi wasn't in last year's Team Canada World Juniors, so we're excited for him to be Jamie Lee Rattray Canada Women Gold. Nick Ritchie Gold. And I'll just show you, I forgot, here's Dylan Strome's base card. So that's what the base card is. Actually the back looks really sharp. We got these Hydra inserts that look really sharp, so we are very excited. We sold a ton of this last year. Nicholas Malosh, red out of 199. The red. Marie Philippe Poulin. That's a gold, women gold. Okay, here we go. Here's Rob with the...
And the new Bowman Chrome baseball is in, if anybody's looking for it. Did Jason show you our beautiful card yet?
I've already lost it.
Did you? Did you show it though?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Again, just for good luck.
Currently on eBay. Sorry. Brent Howden, here's the Hydra. That is the Hydra insert. Brett Hayden. We got Dylan Strome again. Connor McDavid, Max Domi dual auto out of 10. Jamie Lee Rattray, Canada Women jersey. It's our second Rattray. When's Zachary Fakali gonna make it to the NHL? That's what I want to know. Alright. Zachary Fakali. Yeah, that's awesome. Hydra insert. Called it. Alright. I'm gonna open 2 boxes for this video. Why not? Caroline Ouellette gold. Connor McDavid, card number 98. How's that? Connor McDavid. Matthew Barzal, red exclusive, number to 199. And another Connor McDavid. 2 Connor McDavids in 1 pack. We're gonna see how many times I say Connor McDavid in this video. Kelly Terry, red exclusive Canada woman. Frederick Gauthier. Ethan Bear jersey. From Saskatchewan. Caitlin Booth. I don't know a lot of these guys. Robbie Fabry, Hydra. Still haven't hit a Nick Paul card. 2 boxes. What's going on here? Great point. Nicholas Roy. Hydra insert. And a Devin Sideroff. Patch auto out of 199. 190 on 99. Kyle Capabianco. Brienne Jenner. Oh, number 19, so it's the gold jersey variation. Brienne Jenner. Ethan Bear gold. Oh. We have a Matthew Barzell True North jersey. So it's a subset jersey card. Matthew Barzell. 3 packs to go. Box number 1 or 2 if you count the one that we opened, which I should have videotaped, but and Renee Desbiens. This is my French for you. It's a Hydra insert, Canada woman. And 2 packs. Oh, there's a Connor McDavid, card number 49. We have Nicholas Patin, Hydro. And we have Thomas Chabot. Patch auto out of 199. Whoops. There you go. So we got 2 again. And the pack, final pack, we have a gold Courtney Burchard, Canada Women's Gold. So there's our first box. I will quickly slice open box number 2. I can re-show the it's there somewhere. Connor McDavid, Max Domi, do a lot out of 10. How's it going? Oh, okay. I'm making a video of us, so you want to be on the internet?
Oh, sure. I was going to do the same thing this morning.
Okay.
You unboxing.
We are opening Canada Juniors right
Nice.
now. We hit a massive card. I've already lost it. Lost it, but then I found it and I was lost it. Anyway, it's Connor McDavid, Max Domi, dual auto out of 10.
Nice.
It's huge.
Yeah, oddly enough, I'm going to go home and do almost the exact same thing on Twitch.
Oh, is that what you do? Yeah. Okay. Natalie Spooner gold. Yeah, Rob's just downstairs. He'll Oh, we have a redemption. Upper Deck Team Canada Maple Leafs Forever auto, not numbered, Jake Virtanen. So that's a redemption. Oh, yeah. What's this? Oh yeah, here's the card. There's the card again. Show him the card. He's not a hockey guy, but it's still. Genevieve Lacasse. I know my French today. That's a red exclusive. There's a lot of French.
Pure disaster.
Today's a bad day. Not gonna lie. Jake Virtanen, we have his jersey. We just got his auto. Now we have his jersey card. Yeah, this is a mess. Connor McDavid. It's about 17 Connor McDavid cards we've had so far, maybe. Connor McDavid. Ethan Bear, Hydro. Connor McDavid. Caroline Willette. Gold. No, Hydro. And a Guillaume Brisebois patch auto out of 199. Defenseman. Oh, this is Team Canada. Oh, we have something in a plastic.
It could be the States.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's gonna be the States. Jensen Harkins. Whoa, it's actually a printing plate. Anyway, so we have a Jensen Harkins Hydra, and we have a woman printing plate, black 1 of 1, Jessica Campbell. There you go. It's a printing plate.
Connor McDavid?
No, it wasn't Connor McDavid. Oh, there's more than just him in this product. I should have said yeah, that would have been hilarious. We have a triple jersey. Jensen Harkins, Anthony Beauvillier, and Matthew Barzal.
Are you cracking both boxes?
Yeah, this is box number 2. Slight delay with a customer coming in half an hour before open. Lauren Rougeau, gold. This is 2 videos in a row we have a customer. Yeah. He bought My Little Pony, if you're wondering. Not that there's anything wrong with it. Max Domi. Travis Connect Me, gold. Ottawa 67er. I have no idea. He got drafted, but I don't remember who. Tyler Soy. See who next? Tyler's anyway. Red exclusive 199. Tyler Soy from British Columbia. All right. We have a lot of stuff. Matthew Spencer Hydra. I really like these Hydra. Mary Philippe Poulin, red exclusive out of 199. Most of the cards you see will be on our eBay store. The easiest way to find us is to go to ultsportscards.com. You'll see a link at the bottom to our Facebook page, our Twitter account, our eBay store, and our YouTube channel. And we're also on Instagram, ULT Sportscards. We have Parker Witherspoon, Hydra, and we have Zachary Sawchenko, patch, 2-color patch auto out of 199. Nice little card there. We have a red Hydra, Devin Sideroff. Red. I think we got a red in the first box. Oh, because he played for the battalion. Evan Cormier. Gold. Yeah, no Nick Paul. We haven't hit a Nick Paul. Three boxes. Let's go. That's actually a nice card. And Renee Despin and an Renee Despin. That would have been funny if it was an all and Renee Despin pack, but it's not. But we do have a jersey. Okay, 2 packs left. 2 chances to hit something bigger than a Max Domi Connor McDavid dual auto at 10. Natalie Spooner gold. Not quite good. And the final pack. Courtney Burchard Hydra. And the very last card, because I always like to show last cards for some reason. Kalen Booth. There you go. So that's it. That's 2 boxes. Like, you know, that crazy. We got the dual jersey Connor McDavid, Max Domi, but we also have the dual autograph Domi, Connor McDavid, which we are so excited for. So that's it. And we will be posting customers hits because inevitably we're going to sell a ton of this stuff. And if you're local, we are going to be open till 8 o'clock on Thursday, starting this Thursday. Someone volunteered to do that. I don't know why, but that's we'll be open till 8. All right. Well, thanks for watching.